Assalamu alaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morningship. Today I am going to take ICT class for the student of class 8 student. And our today's topic is chapter 1, lesson 4 discussion. Please dear student, look at the board. Our today's topic is chapter 1, lesson 4 discussion, lecture number 4 and homework number 2. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board student. Class 8 subject ICT chapter 1 lesson 4. What is the name of the lesson 4? Importance of information and communication technology in business. The use of information and communication technology, like other spheres of life, has brought about a radical change in trade and business. So, at present, in trade and business, ICT has also used broadly. The main objects of every business is to manufacture goods or ensure service by quickest possible time and minimal investment, and to market first. Information and communication technology plays a vital role in collecting the raw materials, managing workers involved in production, developing their skills, managing production, marketing and making profits. Usually various facilities are obtained by the application of ICT. Besides, ICT reduces costing. So, you have to read that usually various facilities are obtained by the application of ICT. This is the application of ICT in business and trade. Besides, ICT reduces costing. A huge volume of work is done in short time by using updated technologies. As a result, the businessman increase profit margin by reducing production cost. There are many ways to reduce cost. So this is the facilities of using ICT. ICT reduces costing. Number 1. Then a huge number of volume work is done by in a short time. Number 2. Number 3. Increase profit and reduction production cost. And there are many ways to reduce cost. There are many ways to reducing the cost of business and trade. Number 1 is controlling stock. Usually a big amount is expended for stocking products. Stock should be controlled with the demand of the market. The current information of requisite stock can be known by using specialized software. This is the controlling stock. Then number 2, production management. Production management can be developed by the application of ICT. Making production system automatic by using ICT controlled machineries, more production is possible in less time. Besides, use of ICT in labor management bring dynamism in production. This is the help of production management by ICT. Number 3, faster mode of communication. Faster mode of communication. By the using of ICT, our businesses, trade, commerce go faster. The main device of information and communication technology like mobile phone, internet, satellite, etc. have made the mode of communication faster. By using this device like mobile phone, internet, satellite, our business and trade, commerce communication faster. Number 1, mobile phone. Oral communication is possible from any place by mobile phone. So, a businessman can run his business either moving or staying at home. Like a businessman stay at home and over telephone or over mobile phone, he can run his business very easily. It is possible to contact numerous people at a time by using the conference feature of the mobile phone that allows to see the other people also. As a result, work can be done faster. Like a businessman can contact with his other members in a business management by using of mobile phone. Fax. Urgent text and images can be sent through fax. Urgent text and images can be sent through fax. Like a businessman can take a picture from his raw materials and send this picture for his another person. It plays an important role in the countries where signature of the sellers and buyers are mandatory to business transaction. Email. Email is very important for business communication, as written communication can be done instantly. The image of the products can be viewed too. Even the link in which the opinion of the purchaser is expressed can be sent. Internet. It is possible to spread merchandise benefit over the world through internet. Through internet, a businessman can know whole over world business facilities. Intranet. The offices of many business organizations may be situated in different locations. Business organizations may be situated in different locations. Internet has made communication among people within the same business organization smooth. Proper maintenance of accounts. Proper maintenance of accounts, number 4 point. Keeping accounts properly is a very important part of business. Small traders can keep their accounts just by using spreadsheet. Besides, they can preserve the information of the consumer, workers and stock of products by using different kinds of database software. The judicious use of this information can propel the business forward. Number 5 is marketing. The application of ICT has brought about a few dimensions in marketing. By marketing, the business sector has brought about new dimension. Marketing analysis. It is essential to collect information of the market before marketing any new product. By using ICT, the market demand of a new product, status of supply and price can be analyzed quickly. So, using market analysis, businessman can know his product, a new product, status of supply and price can be easily analyzed. Collecting information of the competitors. Information of the competitors. Information about competitive commodities and service of competitive firms can easily be collected by the use of ICT and sector of marketing. Supply. It is possible to plan supply of product in low cost either by GPS or by similar system. Publicity. The advertisement of product or service can be published either by minimum cost or for free in the website, blogs and social network. At a time, a businessman can publish her products or commodities by the use of many costs. But now at present, a businessman can be published his or her products by minimum cost or for free in the website, blogs and social networks. Number 6, sale management and account. Number 6 is sale management and account. Electronic point of sale, EPOS. EPOS full meaning is electronic point of sale is such a system by which all the information of sale can be preserved. In the system of EPOS, in which all the information of sale can be preserved. Round the clock monitoring is also of its advantage. Round the clock monitoring. Round the clock monitoring is also of its advantages. Number 7. Payment collection. Payment collection. Using ICT, the businessman can collect the payment of sold product and directly deposit to their bank account. Even they can transfer the cash from the buyer's credit, debit cards or by the mobile banking. By the use of mobile banking, credit card or debit card, payment is very easy by the use of ICT. ICT help business in different ways besides those mentioned above. This technology can play a vital role in starting up a new business as well. So this chapter is about business ICT using of business and trade by using of ICT. By using of ICT, business, trade, commerce are now very easy. So my dear student, your homework number 2 and homework is 5 MCQ from chapter 1 lesson 4. From this lesson 4 you will make 5 MCQ. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Do your homework. See you again inshallah.